Hi traders. In today's video I am going to talk about the 5 top reasons why short-term trading is killing traders, and it leads them to believe that trading is actually a scam, that it is fake, and they actually don't believe that the foreign exchange is a real thing, because they thought from most of the YouTubers who just want to grab money, basically. They are telling traders that short-term trading is a way to go, and mostly martingale strategies, scalping strategies, greed strategies that are proven to be gambling strategies. Actually, martingale was proven to be a gambling strategy in the 1800s by a French mathematician, a reputable one. So it is a shame that in this industry most traders are losing their savings, their money, because of these careless YouTubers, these influencers, because there are only a few influencers who are telling the truth, and the honest ones are not the biggest ones, and they will never be, because if you are selling dreams, you are getting rich in this day and age. And if you are not selling the dream, if you are telling the truth, you are very limited in making money. If you want to make money, being an influencer, of course, and not by actual work, like coding or So in today's video, I am going to tell you why it is absolutely a bad idea to start with short-term trading. Overtrading. Overtrading is everywhere. I see it every day. Traders are overtrading by like light years than it would be actually normal. Like the optimal trading per week number is approximately 1 to 5 trades per week. Now traders are opening like 100 trades per week or even per day. It is so much more than it would be necessary, than it would be optimal, than it would be safe, that of course they are losing their account. And here, for this part, it comes also overconfidence. When they won like 10 trades in a row, they are so confident in themselves that they are going to open careless trades over and over again. And they don't trade by the old school golden rule that you are holding one trade at once per currency pair. So if you are trading 5 currency pairs, you are holding maximum 5 trades. No, they are not abiding by that rule. They know they are kings, and they will be driving Lamborghinis and all of this crazy stuff, but they will be broke most of the time, and they are going to think trading is a scam. And it's completely understandable, because from that perspective, with short-term trading is actually kind of a scam, because these sellers and these influencers who are telling them to trade only short-term with martingale strategies, they are basically scamming them. So it is tough. It leads to very poor risk management, and I see this all the time. Traders abandon risk management when they are trading short term. They literally move their stop losses like crazy on all of their trades. So at that point, it is not really a trade with a stop loss. It is a trade with a like wannabe stop loss, or like a psychological stop loss. I don't know, just for the visual of the stop loss, because there isn't actually a stop loss there, because if you are moving it, that is not a stop loss. I am a little bit I don't want to be angry, but so many traders come to me and they explain why I have the wrong views about trading and why I should listen to those influencers who are telling all this horrible stuff about how you should only use short-term trading and scalping and marketing and a grid, and the traders who actually try out some of my systems and follow my my tips many times, they actually come back to me and tell me, man, you saved me like even hundreds of thousands of dollars from blowing it. So these tips are working, but I am not selling a dream, so traders don't want to believe me that it is the truth, it is the reality of trading. Short-term trading also leads to the lack of understanding the markets deeply, like understand the nuances, how trends are working, what is a ranging market, all the technical indicators, the price action patterns, because if you are just opening trades over and over again, you are going to not abide by your own rules. You are going to break those rules because you want to not miss out on trades. The fear of missing out in trading is crazy. It is crazier than in any industry. And it is so tough to see how traders can't wait 5 minutes for the rules to be fulfilled. They open a trade and they blow their account because they don't use stop loss and they use way higher lot size than they should. The market conditions are changing rapidly, very rapidly, like COVID, wars, earthquakes, climate change. The world is going to be crazy in the next years. It is already crazy, but it will be even more crazier. And with these short-term, low time frame strategies, you set up yourself for failure because these strategies can't really adapt to market changes and can't really maintain their value in different changing markets actually in the long term. I have some videos about it, how you can adopt some of your short-term trading strategies to work long-term, but most of them just can't, and therefore I don't recommend to trade on the 1 minute and 5 minute time frames. That seems a little bit crazy, even with a small lot size, because you will not be able to just abide by your rules because the markets are really changing and your psychology will ruin you. I hope this video was joyful for you. I go and swim somewhere where there are not this many rocks. Maybe that way. There's a nice beach. Ciao.